Hello guys, how are you? Welcome to WA Reviews YouTube channel. Guys, today we will unbox T&G brand portable wireless Bluetooth speaker. So it's a 50 watt wireless speaker with 4400 mAh built-in rechargeable battery. We will unbox this one and we will see how's the quality of this Bluetooth speaker. I buy this one from AliExpress. AliExpress is a cheaper platform to buy such a gadgets. If you like, I will give you link in description. You can buy through that link. So this is the box of T&G wireless speaker. You can see here mentioned T&G wireless speaker. This is the picture of this speaker. Here is mentioned high capacity battery. Its battery is 4400 mAh, rechargeable battery, USB and micro SD support, built-in microphone and splash proof. This is the some features of this Bluetooth speaker. It's a made in China, and on back side you can see also mention some specification: portable wireless speaker, power on off button, model switch, volume decrease and last song, play pause, volume increase next song. There is some specification mention: output voltage 15 watt by 2. It means 15 watt, 2 speaker using. There is amplifier for boost this wattage. So total output watts of this Bluetooth speaker is 50 watt, and built-in voltage is 3.7 volt, rechargeable battery. Its frequency response 80 Hz to 20 kHz. Its charging voltage 5 volt at 1 ampere charging. So you can use any normal charger to charge this Bluetooth speaker. So we will unbox this portable wireless speaker and see how actually it's look like. So I open the box. At the top of the box we found the adjustable strap for hanging this Bluetooth speaker. Its length also quite good, very long adjustable strap this one. And this is Bluetooth speaker. I order in red color. There is too many color available. Which one you like, you can buy that color. One charging cable which is micro charging cable, and one aux cable, and one T&G 187 user manual. All instructions how to operate this device are given in English and Chinese on this user manual. So these things we found inside the box: one aux cable, one charging cable, one strap, user manual, and this Bluetooth speaker. Its look is amazing and very premium look of this Bluetooth speaker. As you can see, it's look like very expensive, but it is not expensive. It is less than 100 USD. This is the control panel of this Bluetooth speaker, and this is the hanging hook for the strap. Its body is wooden body, and upside have a very good quality cloth, and here is T&G logo mentioned on the side of this Bluetooth speaker. On the bottom side there is 2 rubber pads available to reduce the vibration of this speaker. This is the speaker of this Bluetooth, and it's about 76 mm by 2. It means 76 mm 2 speaker they are using. Its diameter is 76 mm. So it's a 76 mm drive on this Bluetooth. This is the interfacing panel. It's a aux jack, it's a USB plug-in jack, it's a micro SD jack, and it's a micro charging port for charge this Bluetooth. As I told you, it's a splash proof, so this silicone pad tight upside of this interfacing panel to protect this speaker from the water. This is the LED indication. It will show you the pairing status of this Bluetooth speaker. Let's install the strap with our Bluetooth speaker. Like this you can easily install and remove the strap of this Bluetooth speaker, and after that I will show you how it's look like in hanging position also. So this is the strap. Like this you can install the strap of this Bluetooth speaker. Now I show you charging, how to charge this Bluetooth speaker. For charging you need to remove this back pad After that, bring your micro USB charger and insert that male pin on this female jack. After you showing the red LED status, it's mean this Bluetooth in charging mode. When it will become a full, this LED will disappear. So like this you can charge your Bluetooth speaker. This is the USB jack and it support all type of music formats, and this is the micro SD. It's also support all type of music formats. So this is the our T&G 187 model. Let's on our Bluetooth and check the music quality of this Bluetooth speaker. So I press the power on button, and as you can see there is blue light blinking. It's mean it's ready to pair. After that you need to on your Bluetooth in your smartphone, and as you can see is showing me TG187. When I click on this TG187, it will ask me pairing permission. I accept this pair. So it's already connected in my smartphone. As you can see, connected for call and audio 100%. As I told you, it's a built-in mic on this Bluetooth speaker, so it's also support calling as well. I already play music on my smartphone. Now you are hearing this sound coming from this Bluetooth speaker. It's about 70% sound of this speaker. Now I am going to increase the sound up to 100%. Now this sound is 100% sound. I will reduce little sound from my mobile device. This is the sound quality of this TG187 Bluetooth speaker. Tell me in comments how you feel the sound quality of this Bluetooth speaker. It's good or no good? How it's look like in hanging position. So this is the hanging and very long strap of this Bluetooth speaker. You can increase and decrease the length of this strap. What do you think this speaker sound quality and features are good or no good? Tell me in comments. If you like to buy, link in description below, you can buy through that link. So guys, this is the all about T&G 187 Bluetooth wireless speaker. Hope you like the video. If you like, kindly subscribe my YouTube channel, like the video, share with your friends. Take care, bye, see you next video. Have a good day. Let's talk the little more specification of this Bluetooth speaker. Its weight about 1480 gram. It's mean almost 1.5 kg weight. Its power is 50 watt. Its battery capacity is 4400 mAh. It mean it will give you good backup, long lasting battery, and its play time up to 12 hours. So it will give you very good backup time as well. And its size is 292 by 132 by 139 mm. It's using Bluetooth 5.0 version, and battery type is lithium battery, and its speaker drive is 76 mm speaker drive, and its connectivity range in 10 meter. Its voltage is 3.7 volt. It's coming with the straps, and its frequency range is 100 Hz to 20 kHz, and it support all kind of formats, music formats, and also there is built-in FM radio available on this Bluetooth speaker. So this is the all specification of this Bluetooth speaker. Hope you like it.